Welcome to our video today, where we'll be exploring one of the most popular features in video conferencing and live streaming, the ability to use a blurred or virtual background in your webcam feed. Whether you're working remotely, attending online classes, or simply want to add some professionalism to your streams, this feature has become an essential tool for many of us. But have you ever wondered how it works? What magic happens behind the scenes to replace your messy room with a sleek and distraction-free background in this video? We'll dive into the world of image processing and computer vision to uncover the secrets behind blurred and virtual background. So let's start with the basics. When you enable the blurred or virtual background feature in your webcam feed, your device's camera captures a live video stream of you and your surroundings. This video stream is then processed by sophisticated algorithms that use techniques from computer vision and image processing to separate you from the background. Imagine these algorithms as highly advanced green screen tools, but instead of using a physical green screen, they're able to automatically detect and separate the foreground. That's you from the background. This process involves complex calculations and machine learning models that analyze the visual cues in the video stream to identify edges, textures, and patterns. Once your device has successfully separated you from the background, it can then apply a blurred or virtual background effect. The blurred background simply takes the original background and applies a Gaussian blur filter to it, creating a smooth and creamy texture that helps to reduce distraction. On the other hand, a virtual background replaces the original background with an entirely new image or video stream, giving you the ability to transport yourself to any location or environment. But how do these algorithms handle complex scenarios like hair, glasses, or objects in front of your face? This is where the magic really happens. Advanced techniques like deep learning-based segmentation and matting are used to ensure that even the most intricate details are properly separated from the background. These models are trained on vast amounts of data to learn how to accurately distinguish between foreground and background pixels. To summarize, here are from our discussion. Blurred and virtual backgrounds use computer vision and image processing techniques to separate you from your surroundings. Advanced algorithms analyze visual cues in the video stream to identify edges, textures, and patterns. Sophisticated machine learning models handle complex scenarios like hair, glasses, or objects in front of your face. The blurred background applies a Gaussian blur filter to reduce distractions, while virtual backgrounds replace the original background with an entirely new image or video stream. And that's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of how blurred and virtual backgrounds work their magic in your webcam feed. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore further, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on technology and innovation. We'll catch you in the next one.